if you're someone who is dealing with control electronics, you have you're in high
Sure.
demanding quantum, right? If you ever dealt with lasers, then by all means, even if you're a mechanical engineer, you're familiar with building racks and infrastructures, and these are all components that we need, and we need in scale. And the only way that we can catch up is if we are able to articulate in the right way why we need this workforce and why it's so attractive for those
Mm.
talents to come and look at what we're doing. From the outside, quantum might look scary, but when you break it down to its basic components, they are more or less the same with what we're familiar, but the setting is different. Obviously, when you go to the science level, um, there are big differences, but it doesn't mean that you cannot participate in the workforce.